In this video, I'll show you how to do foam rolling to your calf musculature. So whenever I do any type of foam rolling, I like to either be barefoot or with shoes on. And the reason for that is you want to have a little bit of friction on the surface, okay? If I were doing this in my socks right now on this wood floor, my foot would slip and I don't have a lot of control. So much of foam rolling relies on that leg that's on the ground, and if you don't have good traction, you can't do the job very well. So with foam rolling the calves, we really have three approaches. We have the ironing approach, we have the mashing approach, where we just mash things out, and lastly we have a little release approach, where we're activating the muscles. I call this active release. So we can do all three. So when I iron, I look on the outside, I look on the inside, or the middle, then I even look on the inside. To get a little bit more bang for my buck, I can plant my foot up here, I can lift my bottom up slightly. I don't need to lift it up all the way, that gets kind of tiring. So I just sort of graze my bottom along the floor here, going back and forth, trying to get into the areas that hurt. Once I get in an area that hurts, I might mash, whoops-a-doozy, I might mash it out, going back and forth like this, and this can be very painful. As you start to do it regularly, it won't be. But just trying to bust up some of those kinks there. I can also just put a little pressure on it, then move my foot in a variety of directions, up and down. That'll also help release some of those tight structures. Usually I don't spend any more than 1 to 2 minutes doing this, but it's a great way to limber up the calf, improve your ankle flexibility, and can help with conditions like plantar fasciitis or ankle pain.